So children, today we'll discuss complex numbers. In complex numbers, we'll discuss about concept of I. I means imaginary number. I means imaginary number. Okay. So slowly I will say, listen children. Suppose if I ask you 4, can anyone tell what is the value of root 4 children? 2. Can anyone tell what is the value of root 9 children?
3.
3. Can anyone tell what is the root 16?
4.
4. This is very easy. But if I ask root of -4, then there will not be any answer because root of -4 does not exist. Root of -4 does not exist. When something does not exist, then how to do like this sums using I? Slowly I will tell, listen children. Root of -4 can be written as 4 into -1. Am I correct children?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This I can write as root 4 into root of -1. Okay. So root of 4, all of you know, just 2. And in complex numbers, root of -I is I. Root of -1 is I. What is the value of I children? Root of -1, imaginary number. Root of -1 is I. Always remember. No sir, we didn't understand this. Again, I will say listen carefully. Someone will say what is the value of root of -5? There is no value. So I will write this as 5 into -1. I will write this as root 5 into root of -1. This we know it as I. So root 5 don't have an irrational number. So root 5 I is the answer. Where I is an imaginary number whose value is root of -1. No sir, we need to understand this. One more sum. Root of -6. This we can write it as root of 6 into -1. This is nothing but root 6 into root of -1. Root 6 also irrational number children. You don't have perfect square root. So I will write as root 6 and root of -1 is how much children? Anyone? I. So root 6I. Very good. One more. Root of -7. Can anyone tell root of -7 how to do?
Root 7 into -1, that equals to root 7 into -1, that equals to root 7 I.
Very good. Any other student can they tell root of -8? Any other student?
Root of 8 into -1 is equal to root 8 into root of -1 is equal to root 8I.
Very good. Last, can anyone tell root of -9? Any other student?
Sir, is equal to 9 into -1.
Okay.
Is equal to root 9 into root -1, which
But
is
root
equal
9
to,
is how much? 3.
yes sir, 3I.
3I. I hope you all understood children. I concept. I hope you all understood. What is an I children? I is an imaginary number. In tomorrow's class, I will say how to do more sums on I children. But remember, I is an imaginary number. Suppose, can anyone help me out? What is root of -100? Anyone help me? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Root of
Nandika, you tell
100.
Nandika.
Yes, sir. Root of 100 into -1. Root 100 into -1. Root -1. -1 is I. 10 root I. 10 I.
So finally, I told you today that value of I is root of -1. Okay, children, value of I is root of -1. Don't forget. If I bring this root here, I square is equal to root -1. What is the value of I square, children? I square is -1. No, sir, I want I value means I is root of -1. Remember this concept. In tomorrow's concept, I will teach you how to do sums on I. How to do sums on I. And if your I square is given, if your I cube is given, like those sums I will teach you in tomorrow's class, children. Okay, so some small homework sums I will give you the description of this video also, children. You please practice them. So next you are going to do as a homework root of -10, root of minus 11, root of minus 12, root of, try to do children. If you do, what happens, you will understand perfectly what is the value of I. Root of minus 14, okay, root of minus 15 and root of minus 16. I want this sums you do homework, and in the description of the video also same sums I will keep, but because in the description I can't put root, so you try to understand this is the sums you are going to practice children. Like this only you practice children. In case you are not able to understand, see the video and practice children. Okay, so this is value complex numbers in introduction. Tomorrow I will teach in detail about how to do the sums on I.